Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming your plan supports 2 streams. Netflix enforces concurrent session limits, so this is the single gating factor. Once confirmed, sign into the same account on both devices and pick distinct profiles so preferences and progress don't collide. Make sure each device runs the latest Netflix app or a modern browser, because outdated apps can block playback. Start playback on the first screen, then launch the second device and begin the show. This immediate order prevents session conflicts. Now you'll proceed to initiate the second stream. Open Netflix on the second device, select a different profile if possible, and choose a different title or the next episode in a different series. This reduces accidental resume conflicts. If the second device prompts an error, pause or stop playback on the first device briefly, then try again. Sessions sometimes need a moment to register on Netflix servers. Make sure both devices maintain steady internet. Inconsistent bandwidth can drop one stream unexpectedly. To complete the process, stop or pause playback on either device when you're done so the slot frees immediately. This avoids hitting the concurrent stream cap later. If you encounter a stream limit message, go to Account Sign out of all devices, then sign back in on the 2 you want to use. This forces session refresh. If playback still fails, reboot the app or router, often clearing the device's network cache, and relaunching the app resolves lingering session or connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.